And this is our big Times Now exclusive, the big NGO crackdown. Times Now has exclusive access to a secret dossier which lists more than 100 NGOs under the government scanner. Some of the NGOs are suspected to have links with terror groups, while some have openly violated rules of the Foreign Currency Regulation Act. Beginning today, Times Now begins to track down some of the NGOs around the country who are mentioned in the list. Over 100 such NGOs are openly breaking rules and are accused of working against national interests. In Gujarat, the Sarvajanik Welfare Trust is under the scanner for routing funds to terrorists. The president of the trust is suspected to have harbored terrorists from Jammu and Kashmir. However, the president accused has denied the allegations.
इसमें हेल्थ और एजुकेशन में भी काम करते हैं, थोड़ा सोशल वर्क करते हैं।
तो मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ होम अफेयर्स में नाम क्यों डाला हुआ है फिर?
क्या में?
आपकी वो मॉनिटरिंग लिस्ट में वो बेसिकली कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को मॉनिटर करते होंगे, वो डाला हुआ है।
वो तो बड़े ना मॉनिटर कर, हमें तो पता नहीं है कि हमें मॉनिटरिंग में क्यों डाला हुआ है, लेकिन डाला हुआ है तो अच्छा है। उसमें फिक्र उसको करनी है, जिसकी कोई गलत एक्टिविटीज हो तो वो फिक्र करेगा, हम क्यों करेंगे।
Prema Sridevi now joins us live for more on this. Prema, when the question was put up to the president, nervousness was writ large on his face, and after that came a weak defense.
Well, exactly, but this is pretty much understandable. But the fact being that we have exclusive copies of these reports from the MHA and from the Intelligence Bureau. In fact, this is an exclusive copy of the complete list, list of NGOs, around 103 of them. The intelligence agencies and the Ministry of Home Affairs are calling these NGOs suspect NGOs on whom there are adverse reports. In fact, we have the complete list. 103 of them who are involved in various crimes. Some of them are involved in anti-national activities. Some others are involved in various other offences. In fact, if I may list out some of the offences which come under these NGOs. In fact, some NGOs have been getting money from foreign countries illegally and they have not been following FCRA guidelines. Some other NGOs have links with terrorist outfits like the Indian Mujahideen, the Hizbul Mujahideen, Al-Qaeda, even the LET. Some other NGOs have been sympathizers of Maoist causes and they have been funding Maoists, and some other NGOs have been they have been involved in massive conversion. So these are very various offences. These are very serious offences. In fact, the MHA has now asked the Intelligence Bureau to give an updated list, a detailed investigative report from the IB, and by 15th of October, that's next month, the IB will be giving an updated and a detailed investigative report on all these 103 NGOs to the Ministry of Home Affairs.
Right, Prema, do continue to stay on with us as we expose other parts of this big crackdown on various NGOs listed in the intelligence agencies' data. And the NGO list shows that government's increased focus on suspect NGOs after recent acts of terrorism. Prema, you've been telling us that there are at least 20 such NGOs which are under the scanner over links with various terror organizations.
Well, exactly. This report suggests that this is an exclusive report from the Intelligence Bureau, and also we have a list from the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now, this list completely talks about 103 suspect NGOs. They are calling these NGOs suspect NGOs on whom there are adverse reports, and these 103 NGOs, many of them have involved themselves in various anti-national activities. In fact, 20 of these NGOs are involved with various terror outfits. Some of these NGOs have links with Al-Qaeda, with Hizbul Mujahideen, with Indian Mujahideen, and also with the Lashkar-e-Taiba. So lots of NGOs have direct links with various terror outfits. Some other NGOs are involved with anti-national elements. In fact, many other NGOs, many of them have been getting foreign funds illegally. That is, they have not been following, they have not been adhering to the FCRA guidelines, the Foreign Currency Regulation Act, and a lot of other NGOs have been sympathizing with the Maoist cause. In fact, there are a few NGOs who have been funding Maoists, and there are many NGOs, many of them who have been in fact who are involved in massive and large-scale conversions. So these are NGOs against whom there are adverse reports, and these are NGOs from various states. In fact, 103 of them who are involved in various crimes, and the MHA, the Ministry of Home Affairs, has now asked the Intelligence Bureau to give a detailed investigation report on all these